Did you know your Affinity apps might be gathering digital clutter that slows down your workflow or cause weird glitches? If your workspace feels messy or tools aren't behaving like they used to, it is time for a factory refresh. Let's jump right in. To get started, make sure your Affinity app is completely closed. Now, here is the secret handshake. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard and don't let go while you double-click the app icon to launch it. Keep holding that key until a hidden menu pops up on your screen. This is the Clear User Data dialog, and it's your command center for fixing almost any technical problem. Inside this menu, you have total control over what stays and what goes. You'll see a list of checkboxes for things like your preferences, workspace layouts, internal caches, and user presets. If you just want to fix a specific layout bug but keep your custom brushes, you can simply uncheck the presets and only clear the workspace. However, if you are looking for that brand new software feeling, go ahead and hit Select All. This wipes the slate clean. Once you've made your choices, tap that clear button. Affinity will take a moment to reset itself and then load up, looking exactly like it did the day you first installed it. If you did a full reset, remember that you'll need to sign back into your account to sync your purchases and licenses. It's a small extra step, but it ensures everything is linked up correctly. Now you've got a clean, fast, and glitch-free environment to start your next creative project. I hope this helps you get back to designing without the headache. If this quick fix worked for you, hit that subscribe button for more Affinity and tech tips. See you in the next one.